This wood harsh. Dinger float. Alright, y'all, we done moved our shit on our new crib. Now we helping out gang. She about to get some new couches. We ain't even getting paid for this shit.
Hey, the beat go off? Hey, I'm up at them, my heat go off? Bang!
Tell them what's up.
What's up with it?
Yo, yeah, you on Dingerman TV.
I'm tired as hell.
My boy Vaughn.
Oh yeah, what's good?
Yo. But yeah, we at Best Way. Hey, Best Way in Gastonia, I'm telling you, can get anything you want. That day, low prices, same shit. Sponsor me.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
I'm telling you, I was just saying that on my head.
What fucking light, man?
Kenzie is none of no
Bro,
fucking
she
light.
bullshitting.
Yeah, she had the light over there.
And niggas, boy, y'all know I'm telling you, let's pull up.
We get shit east to west end.
Oh my God!
It's 70,
like 79 cents a mile.
for like 2 weeks, bro.
79 cents a mile.
He was trying to use it till his car got out the shop. His car was still in the shop. He was like, bro, they not getting my. He was like, they not getting that U-Haul till I get home.
Yeah, damn it. We have
Hey,
people.
Cub just spitting game. I don't want them to see me, but fuck, he over there spitting game. Y'all can't spit, but Cub over there been spitting game for the past since we been here.
He done moved around.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're gonna meet the rest of the guys too. We call us the Obey. I can't tell you what that means because other niggas like to steal things. Bars.
What do you mean by that?
I graduate this year. We going to Atlanta. That's gonna be one of my niggas' vlogs. No, y'all. Damn. That's a speed Oh shit.
No way we in Camelot already.
No, we ain't in Camelot already.
That's what I'm saying. Bro, you telling me
I ain't no motherfucking way. But, bro, I thought my brother was here in the fucking 60 and the 35. No, y'all. Two said C4 what'd he say?
Copyright.
Jitney, dude.
Should've trying to look out, nigga. He gonna goddamn hit the gas.
Bro, right when you said watch, you about to push it. That goddamn big.
That's what I was like. I just walked. I was like, let me move, bro. I got. He got it.
Damn. Yo. Goddamn, welcome to Dinger TV. Goddamn, man, playing Uno, you already know. Goddamn, Uno sponsor me. I'm telling everybody sponsor me. But, yeah, we playing drunk Uno.
You gotta change the color. Somebody gotta change.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass.
It's my turn. That's what I'm saying, Y'all, I'm back. Welcome, Dingerman TV. Hold on, but it snowed in North Carolina last night. I don't know what the fuck God got brewing up, but it's on.
I am the one,
I'm gonna get a blunt. Got my shorts on my Instagram. About to do a little thing. I'm gonna run outside, nothing but damn drawers on. Whoop-dee. But hey, I ain't even gonna hold you. It's colder than 2 polar bear titties out here, boy. Damn. I feel bad for niggas that don't got 4-wheel drive. No, yeah. But it's warm, but cold, but warm. If it's not yet, don't pour it. Gang, we got them driving in the goddamn snow. Goddamn, hoping we don't crash or something. But her wheels in the back got them sliding. Put her on. Ain't got no damn peach, but don't tell nobody.
When you love like I'm loved.
Last night we was lit. I ain't even gonna cap out the fuck.
It don't surprise me at all.
Then go smoke a Russian crack. I got money blue and green. Drop some racks on double G's. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fiend. Feel like Tarzan all these trees. I get so high, I can't. Like little bro, bitch.
It's the beat on this road. Like,
Yeah, tell them who you is.
Big Lil Rock.
Ooh, boy, it's nasty as hell. Say it again. Yes, ma'am.
Wow, your son out here doing burnouts in the fucking snow. Come on now.
Roommate man and Baba.
Yeah, but he out with people doing it.
Going back to shit. Y'all see my chops growing in? I ain't even gonna hold you. Peanut butter lamb chops.
Y'all stuck with me. I got food though, you know what I'm saying? Bust the clothes.
I'm about to beat this little nigga right here. Yeah. Hey, what's up? You remember me, nigga?
What is this, my man? I know Swimmer's open. I know.
Nigga, look at my windows.
Damn, this wood harsh. Dinger float.